welcome back, Matthew. So today we'll be doing the test with the actual data. Okay. So there are two tests, two balance tests you'll be doing. One is a stop test, and the other will be the start excursion balance test. Is that cool so far?
Yes.
So before we begin, I'm going to reintroduce myself. I'm Azim, your physical trainer. Good. So right now, I'm going to ask you for your permission, or rather your informed consent, in order to execute those balance tests. Is that cool?
Okay.
So do I have your permission as I need body contact in order to correct posture and positioning for later? Is that cool?
Yeah.
So do I have your permission?
Yes.
Okay. Before we begin, I'm gonna ask you, are you feeling okay?
Yes.
Okay. So no any anomalies? No, nothing. Right? Okay. Good. Okay. Now, before I take your blood pressure and your heart rate, I'm gonna explain to you some indications for terminating the test that will be conducted later. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Some of the indications would be if there is a significant drop of systolic blood pressure, or systolic blood pressure fails to rise with increased exercise intensity, or excessive rise in your blood pressure. If your systolic blood pressure is over 260, or your diastolic blood pressure is over 115. Is that cool so far?
Yeah.
If there's any lightheadedness, confusion, ataxia, pallor, cyanosis, nausea, cold, or even clear skin. If there's failure of heart rate to increase, even with there's an increase in exercise intensity, if there's changes in your heart rhythm, or if you request to stop, I will terminate the test. Furthermore, if there is physical or verbal manifestation of severe fatigue, or if there's like any failure of any of the test equipment. Is that good so far?
Yeah.
Clear? Okay. Now I will be doing your BP and heart rate. Okay. So right now, I want you to roll up your sleeve, and I'll be measuring your BP first. Open. Now, put. Okay. Okay, you can roll the sleeve now. Okay, now I'm going to do your heart rate. So what you do is please use your two fingers, place under your jaw in your throat until you can feel the heart, your heart beating. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to count you for 10 seconds, and I want you to count how many beats was that in 10 seconds. Is that cool?
Okay.
Okay. Once you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, and count. And stop.
14.
40. Okay, Matthew. So this is the result for your BP and heart rate. So for your blood pressure, it is 115 over 25, which is in the normal range, and also your heart rate, which is 84 beats per minute, which is in the normal range of 60 to 100 per minute. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do the actual test, which is your balance assessment. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so Matthew, now we'll be doing a warm-up before we actually do your balance assessment. Okay. So what I want you to do is doing this warm-up for the open gate and close gate. So I will demonstrate first, then that's the problem. So when you do open gate, you go in this way, then when you come back, you do close gate. Okay, so when I do open gate, with your right hand, then left leg. Then open gate. Okay. Just make one circular motion. With your, okay. Make sure your knee is like this. So you should like that. Then left leg. Then we come back. This right leg. Left leg. Right leg. Okay. Left leg. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. So try it out. Then close. Okay. We start on this one. Okay. Now we're moving on to your balance assessment. Okay. Okay. That's it. We're gonna do the right leg. So what I want you to do is twist your left leg. Right your knee. Then when I see go, you'll be lifting your hip. Okay. So we'll be doing 3 attempts in the test. Okay. So for now, I want you to practice for 1 minute. Okay. So when you balance this, make sure you balance on the ball of the feet. Okay. Don't let your heel touch the ground. Okay. Is that cool? Practice for 1 minute first. Okay. You do it really well. Okay. Yeah. So before you begin the actual thing, there's some consideration that some errors to point out. Okay, because if this was spotted, I'm going to terminate the test. Okay. So firstly, if when you do the stop test, if when you're balancing, if your hands are out or from the hips, I will have to terminate the test. Okay. if you're hopping, or if they say swimming, I will have to stop the test as well. If you're, like I mentioned before, if your heel starts to floor, I have to stop the test. Okay. So lastly, the other one was if you when you're balancing, if your let's say you do the leg, if your left leg is off, I have to stop the test. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Is that clear so far? Yes. Okay, now now we're gonna do your right leg. So this is your first camera, right? Okay. You can start in 3, 2, 1, proceed. Okay, now for the first attempt, I'm going to start the timer in 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, so the next balance test you'll be doing is called the Stork Excursion balance test. Okay, so before we begin, I'm going to demonstrate how to perform it. First of all, you're staying in the middle, okay? Let's say if I'm reaching out with my leg, so your left leg will be in the middle of the start, the point the start. You can see right here. Okay. So first thing to note is when you do it, your left leg is in the middle, like I said. You know the balance, hands on your hips. Okay. This one, when you reach out, you have to tap. Only tap. Then you have to come in the middle and tap the next line. Okay. So if you're doing it on the right, you have to go this direction. Okay, clockwise. Alright. If you're doing the left, anti-clockwise. Okay. Okay. So far so good? Okay. Yes. No questions? Okay. So some of the things to note when you're doing the test, if these indications are found, then I'll have to stop the test. Okay. Okay. So firstly, when you're doing the test, when you reach out, if you reach out like this, you see, you're not tapping right. Yeah. That's how I will stop the test. Okay. When you're balancing, if your hands are up, I will have to stop the test as well. Okay. So if you have balance when you're doing, I also have to stop the test. That's obvious, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'll let you just do sort of practice. Okay. So just want you to let these two lines. So just practice like that. You have to return to the middle, and doing this, return to the middle. Okay. So if let's say if you tap with your left foot, and if you don't return to the middle, I also have to stop the test. Okay. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay. So let's practice this two first. Okay, tap, good, and tap. Easy, right? Yeah. But it's not easy because you do the back. Alright. Okay. Is the first bit? Any questions before I move on to the lecture? No. Okay. Good. Okay, now, welcome back. So now I'm gonna inform you of your result and your performance of the balances that we did just now. Okay, alright? Okay, now, first is for your soft test. So, as you have already experienced it, you did it 3 times for both legs. Is that right? Okay. So for your result is you score an average of 5.75 seconds on those 3 attempts with your left leg, and for your right leg is about 13.28 seconds. So this indicates that the balance on your left leg is quite poor, and then your right leg is below average. So your right leg is about slightly better than your left leg. Okay, moving on for the second test, which is your Stork Excursion balance test. So for your right leg, as you know, you did it in 8 different directions, correct? So for your right leg, when you reach your right leg, your average normalized distance is above average, which is good, basically. It was the same case for your left leg, except when you reach your left leg in the lateral direction, which means when you reach your left leg, just behind. That one, it was below average by 5.5%, basically. Okay. So before we move on to your cardio, I'm gonna do your post BP and your HR. Is that okay? Do I have your consent? Okay, before I do your BP, your post blood pressure and heart rate, I'm gonna ask you if are you feeling well? Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna do your post BP and heart rate. Hold on a second. Okay. So okay, you're ready to roll in. So I'm gonna scan it. Okay. Okay, now for your heart rate. As per usual, use your 2 fingers and you draw in your throat until you feel heartbeat. Can you feel heartbeat? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna time it now in 10 seconds. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, count. Stop. 12. Okay, for your BP, it's about 118/70, which is in the normal range, which is good. If your heart rate is about 72 beats per minute. So you are still in your normal range. Okay, now since I've done your post exercise blood pressure and heart rate, I'm gonna ask you one question. Is there anyone that will accompany you to go home? Yes. Okay, so have your guardian to take care of you when you go home. Because I'm sure you feel tired. Yes. Okay, so I'll see you in the next few days for your cardiorespiratory fitness assessment. Okay. So I'll see you soon. Yes, thank you very much.